Hi, this is Pankuri and welcome to Style Talkies. So today I'm doing an unboxing and trial video of a product which I have never ever tried, but it has fascinated me a lot since the past few months. So if you are somebody who's even remotely interested in fashion and beauty and are on Instagram, you surely must have come across these Painless pearl waxes which have taken the internet by storm. So I have been on a lookout for these since a long time, and when I found them on Nykaa, I instantly bought them. It arrived in this big box and we will unbox it right now. So now let's dig into the treasure. This is how the beans look. They are extremely beautiful and it's from a brand called Jeva or Heva. It's made in Italy, so I really don't know how to pronounce this. And these are 500 grams in quantity and it retails for 950 rupees. I got it for 15% off, so it was for around 800 something. And along with this, I also bought this pre-waxing gel which is used to remove all the grime and the dirt from your skin so that waxing becomes easy, and it is for rupees 450. Again, I got it for 10 or 15% discount. And then I also got this after waxing oil which is used to soothe the skin once you are done with your waxing, and it is for 400 rupees, and again I got it for 10 or 15% off. I will give all the links in the description box below so you can go and check it out for yourself. What I did not buy was the heating pot, which was from the same brand because I found it very expensive. It was for 2,500, and because I never do waxing on myself, I always get it done from somebody. So I didn't feel like investing so much on a product which I would not be using that often. So I'll just microwave these beads, and I have let my hair grow so that we can get the exact results and know how effective these are. So let's melt these babies. So this is how these beads look. They are so beautiful that I don't have the heart to melt these, but what has to be done has to be done. Now before I melt these, I will prep my skin by applying the pre-waxing gel. So let's begin. So I'll just add some amount of the pre-waxing gel on my hands before I start with the waxing process. By the way, the waxing process has started. Now according to the directions, you just have to massage it all over your hand or whichever area you are waxing, and I think this much massaging is enough. And then you have to remove it. I'm using a tissue paper. You can use moist cotton, and this part is extremely messy. So I think we are done with the prepping of the skin. Now let's move on to waxing. Now it has been suggested that you apply some talcum powder before you wax and after you apply the pre-waxing lotion. So I'm just rubbing some translucent powder because I don't have talcum powder with me here at my workplace and I did not read it before. So I microwaved it, and this is how it looks after being microwaved. So the consistency is like this after microwaving. So if you do not want to invest in a heating pot, then you can definitely just go by this hack. You can microwave it, and I think this is good enough. So now I'll just check how warm it is. Okay. It is supposed to be painless, and I am applying it towards the direction of my hair growth. Waxing is certainly not for me, so I will now let this thing dry, and in the meanwhile I have kept this wax in hot water so that it remains the way it is. Guys, I am also trying this for the first time, so you may find it very messy, but I'm not a pro at this at all. As you all saw that I have also just unboxed it and I have already burnt my thumb because of this hot thing. So we'll let this dry and then pull it out to see how well this painless wax works and if it is painless at all. So I think it's dried out now. So now it's time to pull this off. I don't have the heart to do it because I know waxing is painful, but they say it's painless wax, but I've never tried it, so I really don't know. I'll just pull it out from the corners, and so the moment of truth is here. Let's pull this baby out. Oh, this is quite good. Just have a look. It took all the hair away. And I don't know if you can see it here because I have very fine hair over my body. I don't have thick hair, but it pulled out everything. So you can just imagine that if it can take out all the fine hair, then people who have a lot of body hair, you'll not be disappointed with this. Wow, I'm really liking this. Let's try some more. And it's thickened a bit, but now I'll be more brave and apply it on a bigger area. And I think the hair length is more here, so I'll be able to get a better judgment of this wax. Oh, now I've become a waxing pro, I guess. I think I have applied too much. I will have to bear the consequences. I don't like the threads which are coming out. I think this much is enough. Or should I be more brave and apply some more? So courageous I am. Okay, this much should be enough, and I'll give it some time to dry out. Now it dries out pretty quickly, guys. It only takes 10-12 seconds. Yes, it's dry now. Let's start pulling it from the corners. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here you go. And if you can see, every hair has come out. Every single hair has come out of my hand, and this thing is pretty amazing, and it is not at all as painful as your usual waxing strips. This is more or less a painless wax, and now I can vouch for it, having tried it right before your eyes. You can see I did not even wince once. So yeah, this is pretty much painless. Then I will apply this after waxing oil to soothe my skin. And I will just massage it all over. Now all the remains of the wax will come out along with it, and I would definitely recommend this wax. And if you are somebody who is already a pro at doing your own waxing, then you would love it, because somebody like me who has never ever waxed on their own body can do this, then for you guys it would be like a cakewalk. So I'll just rub it all along my hand and let it get absorbed. So as you can see, the areas which I had covered are completely hairless now. I do have hair in the surrounding areas, but that's because I have obviously not waxed them. But I am pretty amazed with the results, and the fact that it is so easy makes it even more amazing. Even a teenager can use this on their own, but do it under some guidance because you may burn yourself. Now you can use this wax to remove hair from your sensitive areas too, but I would advise that you first use it on your hands and legs before you move on to the sensitive areas, because then you would get a hang of it. As far as I'm concerned, I'm very happy with this, and I give it a double thumbs up. My skin has become so soft and smooth that I just can't stop touching it. Do let me know if you too are planning to buy this product, or if you have already used it. I would love to hear what were your experiences. Till then, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and you can also follow Style Talkies on all these social media platforms. Until next time, this is me, Pankuri, signing off, and please do not forget to subscribe.